Okay, good evening. I kind of lied. Yesterday I said I would do um, a long video today, and as you can tell, it's not happening. So, um, yeah, I'm going to have to pause this in a little bit because I'm gonna go do something. But plan for today is I started applying to internships again. You can look at uh, 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 um, so I redid my resume for. Wait, I need to move camera. Bop, bop. So I redid resume. So this one is for my full stack. So this has my research I did this summer, and I did freelancing for a little bit. And then I also have. Um, oh, that needs to be fixed. Wait, wait. Let me fix that real quick. Wait, actually, okay. How is this not? It says it's 11 in bold Times New Roman. And this is 11 in bold Times New Roman. This does not like. Am I tripping? I guess I am. These didn't look okay. Anyways, um, so I so I have this full stack project, and then I have this full stack project. Well, this is the one that we've been working on. So I did JavaScript application generally. So we already have this working, right? This is what we need to work on. These two are what we have to work on. So I put it on my resume that I'm applying to. So it's in a way holding me accountable to kind of like, like finish that. Um, so yeah. So yeah. That's basically it. I mean, and then I also had this one, which this one will be like literally unless it says like particularly um whatever uh particularly like a full stack or a front end position. This is what I'm going to use. So it only has my research I did this summer for my experience. And then I have my vulnerability detection, my code visualizer, and the auto Docker that we're working on. Um, and so this is the CLI tool, making Docker file generation, image building, and container deployment, implementing whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's what I did, and so I'm applying with that now. Um, and so yeah. I think a lot of places right now I'm looking in a lot of places. It's like we're 3 weeks ago the job was posted. So it looks like a lot of people, off for the holidays and stuff. So I'd assume like next week like internship things are gonna start like going out again. Um, so so yeah, I want to make sure I'm in a good spot for next week. I think I'm sitting at like 105 applications. I did like 5 applications today, and I'm planning on doing like another 10 tonight maybe, and then just keep consistently like at least do like 10 a day probably from here on out. Um, and then work on those two projects that I don't have done but I have on my resume. So yeah, that's the plan, and then obviously get back into LeetCode. And so I don't know what I want to do today, because I don't have a lot of time. I have the next 3 hours, um, but we'll see. I'll be back and I'll have an idea of what I want to do. So I'll see you in a second. It's actually going to be a very very short video, so I'm only going to do one LeetCode. 1 second. Sorry about that. Yeah. So why is my should be like okay. Um, yeah, so what ended up happening was I went to bed at like 2 last night. And I couldn't fall asleep until like 6 a.m. And then I woke up at 10 a.m. to a maintenance guy knocking on the door. Uh, and then I just got up after that. So I'm really fucking tired. So it's not gonna be my best work. So I'm just gonna do one LeetCode. and then apply to like 10 more internships tonight. I have them all open in tabs right now, the ones I wanted to apply to. And that'll be it. Yeah. Then hopefully tomorrow I can wake up early, and uh, we can work on the projects. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. That still looks quite big now. I feel like it should be like that. Go with that. Okay. One question, go. Did I? Yeah. I just hate these like multiple function ones. Let's see something like this. And then it gives literally the same type of question. Maybe I just need to tackle it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay. Oh my god. Design a class to find the kth largest integer in a stream of values, including duplicates. The second largest from is 3. Oh, okay. So our constructor, which has k in nums, initializes the object. Yeah. Adds the integer value to the stream and returns the kth largest integer in the stream. So input would be what? I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick, but I need to look. Yeah, let's read it so I can think about it when I go. I don't know why this happens, by the way. It's like literally every time I start a LeetCode, I have to use the bathroom. I don't know why. Anyways, so constructor with int k and an integer array of nums. So the input is whatever. So we get 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. So we're finding the third largest out of this, which would be 1, right? Oh, and we're returning an integer. What? Okay, I'll be right back. I don't get this. I'm back. I made the executive decision as well to not do that question and go to something else and come back to that when I'm not so tired. So I'm gonna do this question and then go to bed. Well, internship applications, then go to bed. So yeah, you're given an array of distinct integers, nums, and a target integer target. Your task is to return a list of all unique combinations of nums where the chosen number sum to target. The same number may be chosen. An unlimited number of times. Two combinations are the same. The frequency of okay. You may return the combinations in any order. In the order of numbers in each combination can be in any order. So we have the target of 9 in an array of nums. My task is to return a list of all combinations of nums where the chosen numbers sum to target. And it could be any of the numbers. Oh. Ooh. Okay. What would... Wow, okay. Is this sorted? I was gonna say, well, I guess something that could really be good is use of like the like when you're doing like two sum, right? You do like distance equal to target minus like let's say the current number, whatever, and so that's what we like if we're on a number where like okay we have to find this number. Um, so I'd say the brute force way of solving this might be to like take the first number, then target minus this, and then check the array and see if there's a single number added to that first number that would give us our target. See, no, but that's really inefficient because then I'm going to say then you go to the second number and you check every number, and then the third number and check every number. Well, no, you don't have to do that because if you check. All right, never mind, never mind. I don't know what I'm saying. Weird. It has to be like some sort of like multiple thing, right? Like find the highest common multiple of. Well, no, not even. How do you? I want a little peek here. A depth first search? Oh, wait. I want to watch this. Because I don't know why
Hey everyone, welcome back and let's write some more neat code today. So today let's solve combination sum, and this is another problem from that blind 75 list. The link will be in the description. So we are doing one more problem and have very few problems from this list remaining. So we're given an array of distinct integers called candidates, and we're given a target integer called target, and we just want to return a list of all the unique combinations. So I would say the difficult part about this problem is trying to figure out how to eliminate duplicate combinations, right? For example, if we just brute force it like a decision tree, so we have 4 different values we can choose each of them an unlimited number of times. What we can do is have 4 decisions in our decision tree, right? Like that might be the naive thing that you start with. So we would get 2, 3, 6, and 7, and then we'd basically continue that, right? On one path over here, we would find, okay, we found the 7, so we found the target, right? So we found one way that we can reach the target. So therefore, we don't need to continue down here because as we add more numbers, all of these values are going to be positive. So as we add more numbers, we're only going to get a sum larger.
I mean, it has to be something, right? Because my idea was, um, before he goes through and does all his stuff, like, so yeah, let's say we have a decision tree for those 4 values. I don't remember what they were, but we'll say 4, 7, 5, 4. Or these were distinct values, I think. 8, 4. Um, and it's like, okay, if our target is equal to 7 wouldn't work. 8, right? 8. Then it would be like, okay, is this the target? Nope. So let's see if adding 5, 6, 8, or 4, is that good? Do any of these add to that? Nope. So we don't care about any of this. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we don't care about any of this. And so then it's like, okay, let's look at the 6. Well, 6 isn't equal to it, blah, 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 same thing. Nope. 8 is our target. bam, return that. 4, is that equal to it? Nope. Put all the numbers. Is it now equal to it? Yep, it is. 8 after multiple of 2 4s, right? So we can return that and the 8. And this is our return, right? And so the other thing is if you have like, yeah, no, that's just how that works, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure.
Than the target. So, I think it's kind of obvious why we don't continue down this path, right? But down here from the 6, let's try to continue, right? We can add a 2, so we'd get 6, 2. We could add a 3, so we'd get a 6, 3. We could add another 6, so we'd get 6, 6. And we could add a 7, where we'd get 6, 7. So notice how all of these are going to sum to a value greater than the target. So down this path, we never ended up reaching the target. We only went over the target. So we don't continue down any of these paths, right? But now let's continue down
yeah, that's
this
also the
path.
thing to remember is that like some of them could overshoot and some of them couldn't, and then on the, like you could go down another iteration, right? Like if it's less than, okay, this was what I should have done, is if it is, whoa, not what I wanted, was that if it's less than, like let's say, oh, this is a bad example then. Let's say this was a 2, right? And we get here and we're like, oh, does any of these add? Okay, 6 adds. But let's say the 6 isn't there, right? And it's 2 plus 2 is 4. You'd go down another decision tree on here, even if those, whatever.
So here we can get another 2. We can get a 3. So I'm going to show you why this type of decision tree does not work. So here we could get a 3, for example, right? So we'd get 2, 2, 3. Now that sums to the target. Down this path, we could choose a 2. So we'd get 2, 3, 2. Notice how both of these end up summing to 7, but they're the exact same. They're just in a different order. We have 2 2s and a 3. Here we also have 2 2s and a 3. So we ended up getting the same one twice. So this works in finding the combinations, but we end up getting duplicate combinations. So what kind of decision tree can we try that gets us the result that we want, but does not have these duplicates? Let me show you how we're going to do that. Let's logically think about this. We know that we have one value in our candidates, 2, right? So we can try to get all combinations that include this 2 value, right? And see if any of those combinations leads us to the target value 7. Now, we could also... So then if we make a second decision over here, right, in this decision, we're definitely including at least 1, 2. Now, if we go down this path, we want to make sure that none of the combinations down this path ever match the combinations down this path. How can we guarantee that? Well, in this side, we said we're definitely including at least 1, 2. How about in this side, we don't include even a single 2? So basically, we skip 2. So here we're going to have an empty array because we skipped the 2, right? All we said is we were able to start from here, but we said no, we're just not including a 2. We're just going to do combination.
I won't lie, I am so tired. Like, I can't even focus on this fucking video. I don't know what to do. This just feels like a waste of time right now because I'm so tired. But, like, I don't want to, like... I don't know. I'll make it up tomorrow, but... I mean, it's coding every day. I need to code. I haven't written even a character of code, I don't think. Like, I'm literally not even looking at this. Let's see if there's graphs, all medium. What is this? You're given an integers of stones where stone I was the weight of I stone. We wanted to run a simulation on the stones as follows. At each step, we choose the 2 heaviest stones with weight X and weight Y smashed together. If X is less than Y, the stones of weight X is destroyed. Okay. Huh? Oh, we choose the two heaviest stones. Okay. So 4 is destroyed. Oh. Okay. I mean, brute force here is we just do um I don't know. Can I just do sorted stones? I don't know. What even is it? Python dot sort. Ah, I can just do. Is it just? And then I wanted to say like just like a 4 each in stones. Oh, can't you just do reversed? Yeah. Um. Actually, I guess it would be. Wait. Okay. Wait, what was it? insert. It's insert 0x. Oh. So not just this. Um. Oh. Wait, what? Oh my god. I don't get it. How are you choosing X and fucking Y? It should go. Okay, it goes through and says. If this is greater. 2. Well, no matter what. Oh, wait, no, this is just stones at 0. Right? Right? Why am I inserting as... Wait. Oh. Uh, oh. It's going to be insert and then stones dot sort. 2, 3. Oh. Dot sort and then stones dot reverse. Okay. Wait. Why would this ever happen? Because if it goes through the first time, right? And it says if these are equal, then this, right? This is run one, return this, else if what? You want this? Okay. Jesus. That shouldn't even have taken me that long, but yeah. I'm shot. Um I just want to upload this and then put in a few internship apps. And then I'm going to bed and then tomorrow should be a much better day. I won't lie. Um um I moving in here has felt so weird. Like when I went to when I went to Houston for the summer, like it felt amazing. Um, but there's something like off about this move. I don't know if it's like that my day to day I'm doing nothing on my day to day except for like these videos is like the only structure to my day, or if it's like I don't know what it is, but it feels I don't know, it feels off. I think I just need to get a I think I need to either get a student job or an actual job to add some more structure to my life, and just get back on a regular routine. I think I need to start going to the gym again. I need to start cooking better meals for myself. I need to um, make these videos longer. Um, I think my day to day has been waking up quite late, watching like a football game most days, and like then doing this video, and that's been it for like you know like a month now. So yeah, I think I need to change some stuff because um, this should be a pretty exciting time in my life, right? I just moved out into a new apartment. My first apartment, besides I lived in a dorm in Houston. Um, my roommates aren't here. I have the place to myself. But something something just feels weird about all this. Um, so yeah. So that's why I want to start going to bed earlier, doing longer videos. I'm gonna find a gym near here that's nice because I no longer have my hometown gym. Um, and yeah, so I'm going to end it here. Again, sorry, I said today was going to be a good video and it just wasn't. So hopefully I actually sleep tonight and I will see you in the morning for hopefully a great video where I actually can work on my projects and also some LeetCode. So, yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.